Children, in the last video we have teach about after the battle of Panipat. Now, do you know? After Babar Humayun 1530 to 1539 CE and from 1555 CE to 1556 CE ascended the throne. He was defeated by Sher Shah. Sher Shah established the Sur dynasty on the throne of Delhi. After Humayun, Akbar 1556 CE to 1605 CE ascended the throne. There was a battle between Akbar and Hemu at Panipat in 1556 CE. This is the second battle of Panipat. Akbar's ambition was to bring the whole of India under his one central authority. After Akbar, Jahangir 1605 CE to 1628 CE became the emperor. During his reign, his wife Nurjahan played an active role in the administration. Jahangir was followed by Shahjahan 1628 to 1658 as the emperor. The next emperor after Shahjahan, Aurangzeb 1658 to 1707 CE reigned for a very long time. After his death, the Mughal Empire became weak. Akbar was the most powerful king of the Mughal dynasty. When he tried to bring India under his central authority, he had to face opposition. Maharana Pratap, Chand Bibi, Rani Durgavati struggle against him. Their struggle is noteworthy. Struggle against him. Their struggle is noteworthy. Now we will the read means their fight what they achieved. Now Maharana Pratap. After the death of Uday Singh, Maharana Pratap ascended the throne of Mewad. Ascended means accept किया हुआ स्वीकारा. He continued the struggle of Mewad's existence till the very end. He struggled with Akbar to maintain his independence. He has become immortal in history. Immortal मतलब अमर रहे. Due to his qualities of valor, शूरवीरता, courage, self-respect, sacrifice, etc. Now, Chand Bibi. The Mughals attacked Ahmednagar, the capital of Nizam Shah's kingdom in 1595 CE. The Mughal army put the fort of Ahmednagar under siege. Chand Bibi, the capable daughter of Hussain, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, bravely defended the fort. At this time, there was an internal strife among the factions of the Sardars in Nizam Shah's kingdom. इंटरनल अगर फैमिली में झगड़ा है, अगर हमारे आपस में झगड़ा है तो कोई दूसरा हम पर राज करके चला जाएगा. दिस रिजल्टेड इन द मर्डर ऑफ चांद बीबी. लेटर द मुगल कैप्चर्ड द फोर्ट ऑफ अहमदनगर, बट the Mughals could not bring the entire kingdom of Nizam Shahi under their control. Then came Rani Durgavati. Gondwana can broadly be said to comprise the eastern part of Vidarbha, part of Madhya Pradesh to its north, the western part of today's Chhattisgarh, northern part of Andhra Pradesh, and the western part of Orissa. Durgavati, born in the dynasty Chandel Rajput, became the queen of Gondwana when she was married. She was an excellent administrator. The struggle of Gondwana Queen Durgavati against the Mughals is important in medieval history. After her husband's death, Durgavati laid down her life while fighting against Akbar, but she did surrender. Okay children, today is enough for today's video. Now we will teach about Aurangzeb in the next video.